In this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate your documents into another language and create a PDF out of them. Now you might want to do this if you've purchased a package like a PLR package that includes a doc file and you want to translate it to another language and sell it in a different market. So to do this, we're going to use a Google Translator Toolkit. I've given you a URL for that. And you're going to have a Google account to use this. So once you've got here, log into your Google account. Okay, now we'll upload. And then we'll browse for the file on our computer. Select that. And then down here, we pick our translation. So we're going to go from English, and we're going to go, well, I'm going to just pick French. I already had that set actually. But you can pick any language pair you want there. Now we're going to do upload for translation, and it converts it for us. Okay, so it's given us a side-by-side translation here. So you can go ahead and edit it if there's any problem here that you know about. Now, these translations are pretty good, but there may be an issue, so you should get somebody to proofread it for you. Let's just remove this edit box here so that we can copy it. So right here it says hide edit box. Okay, now it's ready. We can easily copy this. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll grab the translated text, copy it. Okay, now what you want to do is use OpenOffice to convert it to a PDF file. So if you don't have OpenOffice, you can download it at openoffice.org. Okay, so let's paste this in here now. Okay, so there it is. Now what we do is do File, Export as PDF, click Export here, and then we'll give it a name, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it Translated, and save. Okay, now when we go, here it is here, translated.pdf, and there's our PDF file. All ready to go. So you should have that proofread by somebody that speaks that language, but that's a good way to get a good start on the translation. If there are some minor tweaks, you can get somebody that knows the language to do it for you.